Want to know how to use Word using Microsoft 365? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your m365.cloud.microsoft and you should be right here under this interface. And on the top left side, you should be seeing this menu or the navigator icon. You can just simply select that. And here you can just simply scroll down and here you should be seeing Word right here. So it should be right below apps on the first. If you don't see it, you can just simply scroll down and explore through it. So you can just simply open up Word and it should look something like this right here. So it's basically Word but in web. So you can just simply create a blank document right here and everything should be saved on the cloud, as you can see. So you can just simply use it normally. So I've just opened a new document and it should load in a while. So now I can just simply insert text, add fonts, edit them, and also insert images from the documents and my computer as well, and so on. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.